What's up, my Rolly Gang family? It's 6:30 in the morning, man. It's Monday, July 19th, 6:30 in the morning. I got an 8 a.m. delivery. Right now we in Mission, Texas. It's down here by McAllen, Texas, Brownsville, Texas, all that stuff. Probably like 2.5 hours, 3 hours from Laredo. I got an 8 a.m. delivery. About to go use the bathroom right quick. And we about to get our day started. So let me get myself together, freshen up, and I'm gonna catch y'all when we start rolling.
What's up, Rolly Gang?
Alright, y'all, so I'm guessing we at the right place. It say 906 Trinity Wind Supply. I don't know if y'all can see that, but 906 Trinity Street B. 906 Trinity Street B. Let me see. 906 Trinity Street B. So this kind of word. So I don't know if they own the whole building or they just own this one specific door right here. Cause this 906 Trinity, for sure, 906 Trinity Suite B. Oh my God. I'm about to be here for hellas. I could already see it. I'm about to be here for hellas, man. Floor loaded. This stuff is really floor loaded. A full truckload. A full truckload too. At that. Man, it's about to be a long morning for us, man. A long, long, long morning. Roll it. Alright, so it's 8:17. We about to see how long this gonna take. God damn, I hope I ain't here till like 12 or nothing like that. Cause so many mosquitoes out here. I got a load, like I said, I got a load that I gotta pick up going to, I gotta pick up on Laredo. The issue is Laredo is like 3 hours away. I think the place closed at like 4 or 5, which if it do, we cool. But if it closed at like 2 or 3, we might have an issue. So it should be 9 to 5. But like I said, this is a whole trailer load that they gotta unload of air conditioners. A whole entire trailer load. It's 8:17. I don't know. This about to suck, man. This is really about to suck. I don't know why I thought I was gonna be out of here like 9, maybe 10. We might get lucky. They might get 2 people on this. But we gonna see. Rolling. So right now it's let me see, it's 9:33. Our last check-in time was at 8:17. We're about to see how far they got, how much they got unloaded. Like I said, and like y'all seen, this was a full truckload. Trying not to be loud, so I don't got time for them. They complaining about me coming back there and checking. So yeah, they probably like 1, 2, 3. They probably like right here. They probably made it to like right here on the trailer. Right here. Still got all this down there to do. And it's been an hour. So if they made it there, then 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. 10 something. We probably be here. 11 something. We'll probably be done. Like I said, it's 9:35. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's 9:35. Oh my God. This is gonna be a waste of a day. But what I'm about to show y'all is basically, in the next clip, I'm about to just go ahead and show y'all what I made in this week. Basically 4.5 days, pretty much. And I know y'all want to see actual numbers. You don't want to take anyone's word for it. So I'm about to get back in my truck and just go ahead and show y'all, pull out my phone, or maybe just pop it up on the screen, different places, how much I made, and we'll go from there. Rolly. Okay. Let me talk my shit. Let me talk about it. Let me talk my shit. Let me talk about it. Listen. I just wanted to say, man, last year, I just looked back over my YouTube and I had a video and it was called Making $7,000 During the Pandemic. Like, rates are so good right now that I made over $11,000 gross in 4.5 days. 2.5, 3 days, or whatever it is. I was at home in my own bed, chilling, man. So if y'all ain't a trucking, you watching this video, jump on into trucking. If you got your CDL, get you a truck, get hired on that Landstar, man. Let this be your startup. Let this be your start to the game before going full own authority, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna just show you like this.
We interrupt this program to bring you
All of this on the screen right now. All this on the screen right now. This equals up to $11,000. Current load we on right now, the load that's taking us forever, it's picked up Saturday. Paid $41.32. 19,000 pounds, something like that. Literally Could have been a next day delivery, but picked it up on a Saturday, they don't open till Monday. If I could have picked it up on a Sunday, it would have been, I could have been at home way longer and then deliver this load today. But because I got to get ready for Miami, I couldn't do that. But all I'm trying to tell y'all is, man, jump on the board to Landstar right here. First load, Laredo, Edwardsville. One of my favorite loads. Doesn't pay as good as the rest of the loads, but one of my favorite loads because it always get me home. $3,200. Right here, second load. Literally 5 hours. I would just say, let me see. I picked up at 5, got that 8 something, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna just say 5 hours. $4,000 on 208 miles. Picked up at 5, delivered at 8 something, same day delivery, home, back in my bed. Then I got up on the 17th, Saturday morning, early. Bam! That one right there. Bought at $132. Wow, wow. Picked up on Saturday, the what was that, 17th? Delivering it today, July 19th. Bam. So what does that equal up to? Let's see. 3,200 plus 4,000 plus 41, 32 and some change equals, that's what you call a good, man, a great week. Great week. That's what you call a great week. So shout out to everybody, man, who watching this video. Come get you some money, man. Until you're ready to get your own authority, come over to Landstar, use their authority, come get you some money, stack your bread, then go ahead and get your own authority, do your own thing. This Landstar is the greatest reference point from being an owner-operator without their authority to learning the game and getting your own authority. So come to Landstar, man. If you can, come to Landstar. But we gotta go check them out because it's like 10 something now. Let me see. Yeah, it's 10. Let me see. 10:19. It's 10:19, guys. He's still here. I don't know how far they got, but we'll see. Rolly. Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
See that? Do you see that? It's 11:50, 11:49. Finally done. Man, we finally got loaded. This, woo, throwing me off on a Monday morning, but we finally got loaded. Gotta slide my tandons right quick. Yes, sir. Like that sound. We completely empty, man. When I say empty, I mean, can you hear me? Yeah. Which one you want me to sign? This one right here? Okay. To be the longest, like I probably wasted a whole day, like a whole entire day, because as of right now, it looked down there. I tried to show y'all, but it looked like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look like 7 trucks ahead of me. I don't even know how many trucks get loaded over there. He don't speak no English, so I hope I gave him the right pickup number. But we officially, I guess, signed in that they know we're here. But it's pretty much just about to be a long wait until they can get me inside of there and get into a door. So right now I'm about to call Landstar because, you know, they got the sit and duck policy, and we not on the side of the road, we at the entrance, but it's better to be safe than sorry. at this point. So I guess I'm gonna hit y'all once we get in there. Hopefully we get in there soon. I don't know. This vlog might be kind of short because we didn't get to do too much today, but however it's gonna go is how it's gonna go. Rolly. Finally, y'all, we made some sort of leeway. We made some leeway. It's 6 o'clock. I've been here since 2:40. 3, 4, 5, 6. That's about 3.5 hours. Like, my clock is burnt, but they just called me, told me to get in the door 4. So whenever this truck right here move, who's blocking the driveway, get out of there, I can finally get in, man. Hopefully get in the door and get loaded, get out of here, man. This vlog was long, but this day was short. Like, seriously, this vlog seems longer than my entire day, because it's just been like I've been at a standstill for the longest. So I'm gonna see how once we get in there. Yeah.
Richard. 10 minutes. Okay.
Thank you.
1 hour later.
Alright, my Rolly Gang family, this the end of this blizzy vlog, man. Turn me up, don't turn me down, baby. Turn me up, don't turn me down. Like, share, subscribe. Y'all seen what today entailed, man. Today was simply delivering a load in Mission, Texas. That took almost 5 hours. Driving three hours over to Laredo, trying to get this picking up this load. This took about almost 5 or 6 hours. So my clock burnt up, my day messed up. I'm about to go to the truck stop and I'm about to call it a night. So I'm gonna catch y'all on the next blizzy vlog. Rolly.